good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Reigning Miss Supranational 2024, Harashta Haifa Sahra from Indonesia. Harashta Haifa Sahra, affectionately known as Tata, made history as the reigning Miss Supranational 2024, bringing pride to Indonesia. Tata's journey to the crown was a remarkable one, starting from her early days in Kota Bandung, Jawa Barat. Born with a passion for environmental conservation, and she pursued a degree in environmental engineering, where she honed her knowledge and skills to make a positive impact on the world. Her academic background set her apart as a beauty queen with a cause, as she championed sustainability and eco-friendly initiatives throughout her pageant journey. Crowned as Puteri Indonesia 2024, last March 8, Tata quickly became a beloved figure in the pageant community, known for her elegance, intelligence, and commitment to making a difference. Her advocacy for environmental awareness resonated with many, earning her a strong following and support both in Indonesia and internationally. Tata's charisma and poise on the Miss Supranational stage captured the judges' hearts, leading her to victory and becoming the 15th Miss Supranational. As Miss Supranational, Tata embodies the values of the competition, beauty with a purpose. Her reign is not just about the glamorous crown and sash, but about using her platform to inspire change. She has been actively involved in various environmental projects, promoting sustainable practices, and raising awareness about climate change. Tata's dedication to her advocacy has earned her recognition as a role model for young women worldwide. And Tata's reign as Miss Supranational 2024 marks a significant milestone for Indonesia, showcasing the country's rich culture and values on the global stage. Her success story is a testament to the power and perseverance, intelligence, and the drive to make a meaningful impact. Tatas continues to inspire others with her grace, humility, and unwavering commitment to her cause. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!